If you're looking for a couple's travel trailer that's smaller in profile but not on amenities, honey, this is your rig. Hey everybody, it's your friend Trish Sir here for Camping World, and we are standing in the Cougar 25 MLE. This couple's travel trailer is compact in size, right? A little bit smaller profile, a little bit smaller footprint, but honey, she is not lacking in amenities. Right away, you get right in this kitchen, and I love that they've done these huge windows for backsplash. That is huge in 2024 residential, carrying through, so you just get all this space. You could look out at the mountains, the lake, the ocean. It's kind of in every view. A lot of counter space, and what they're doing, they're right up here. Boom, 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 boom. Power ports up above, so you're not having the bigger power on the walls. It's hidden, which I love. USB, USB-C, and your power up above, so you can have your coffee station anywhere you kind of want everything. It's a great use of space, and then you can put it away, because in 2024, I'll say it once, I'll say it 1,000 times. 2024 is about storing more. They're getting really smart with storage in RVs, and I love that. You've got all this space down below now, great cabinets down. You've got the drawers that are deeper. So for pots and pans, they're really making the storage make sense for how we do life. And that's what's important, right? How we're really doing life. Great cooktop. When you get over here, you've got that 3-burner. Go ahead and show how beautiful that 3-burner range. LED lights right there on the knobs, which we love. A low profile hood, which again, so fabulous. Love that clean line, and being able to look outside while you cook is so lovely. And then the fridge right over, still in flow with the kitchen, but you've got it out of the way a bit, which I love. So you still got the space, but it's right here in flow. Now let's check out the dinette, because I think it's fantastic. Come on. We slide on into the dinette. I love that it's got a little bit higher of a table too. So I like the rise on this so that you can sit legs crossed if you want. This is a great work from home situation. You could look out, mountains, lake, ocean, just sit here and get some work done. Absolutely great. And you've got power ports, USB, USB-C, and power on this other side of the dinette, which is wonderful. So it's right here. And again, they're up underneath, so that it's not right on the wall sticking out like a feature. I love that they've done it kind of hidden, because it's just a nice profile. Up above, again, boom, more storage. Absolutely love that in 2024. And even having the TV up here, it's a great use of space so that you're not foregoing anything. You still get that profile on the ceiling, but you still have the TV that you can see not only from your kitchen, but from your dining area. And then when we step in the living room, it's also a great view as well. This is what's wonderful for here. And then when we look over, I'm going to say it again, store more in 2024. What a great use of space, right? You've got all this storage, boom, right here, boom, more storage, boom. So you could do pantry, you could do, it's just such a smart use of space that you really don't miss not having a kitchen island on a more compact profile, because all the storage is here. You get that L return in the kitchen. You've got this great dining area. But now let's step over and check out our living area. Oh, let's just pop on down into some Darlin Theater seating, equipped with LED lights in our cup holders, LED running lights underneath, which I love. There are LED lights all throughout this rig, which it's just that little touch of elevation that shows in the details, right? And we love that. Not only are these seats LED lit, but they are also massage. Ooh, yes, massage and heat. How fantastic on those cozy nights. And they come equipped with USB ports on either seat. And I just think it's such a smart layout for a couple. It's wonderful storage, wonderful flow, so relaxing. Now you could, with an option, because it is Cougar, switch this out for a sofa that is a trifold sofa, so you could have, friends sleep over, grandkids, kids, grown kids, nieces and nephews. That is an option. But I'm a big fan of these theater seats, honey. Anything that can charge, hold a cup, massage and comes heated, sign this girl up. Well, the luxury does not stop there in this Cougar 25 MLE. I know you all are thinking, Trish, I want to see more. And I'm going to go, I got you. Let's check out the bathroom. Come on. Your girl loves a pocket door. Why? Because it's a great use of space, and space is a premium on RVs. And honey, this bathroom is making great use of that pocket door. You get right into this vanity. You've got a gorgeous stainless undermount sink, high-rise stainless faucet. Love that. And then storage. This storage is so important, right? Toiletries, makeup, hairbrushes, hair dryers. I love that we think this through. And a medicine cabinet with built-in storage as well. It's just smart space. You don't want to have friends over and have your toothbrush sitting out right here. No. What if they knock it over? Well. No, you won't be able to put it up here. Medicine cabinet for a reason. Things get to go away. Towel bar right back here. I absolutely love the height in here. We've got a skylight as well, right? Built-in niches for your body wash, shampoo, handheld to come off. It's just so wonderful. And I'm a big fan. Yeah, you guys, glass doors, 2024. No more weird, funky curtains. It's trifold glass doors. Look. Yeah, that just happened. So now you're going, wait, it got this luxurious in this lower profile Cougar? It can't get better. Yeah, I'm going to show you the bedroom. Let's go. Okay, y'all, look at this bedroom. King bed. You've got, again, overhead storage, this beautiful window behind your headboard. You could wake up in the morning and look outside, put that window up and go, oh, look at the surf check, hiking check. Look at those mountains. It's going to be amazing. What we love as well, I love the nightstands that are pushed back. Let me see. Okay, look, this little niche underneath, right? Maybe it's for a CPAP. Maybe it's for books. Just a little extra storage up underneath. Maybe you're like me and I love a lotion. I love to put lotion on my hands before bed. So maybe you got a little lotion right there so you can just, no dry skin, no dry skin. But great little nightstand as well for books, phones, tablets, USB, USB-C power port for plugging in tablets, phones, CPAPs, whatever you need. Love. Wardrobes on either side of the bed. Again, so great, so brilliant. And we'd be thrilled if the storage ended there. We would, right? Great use of space. But y'all, what? This is so, you can't even see me. You can't see me. So much storage. Great wardrobe right here. And boom, dresser space. Deep dressers. Do you know why I love deep dressers? I don't have tiny, tiny clothes. I like a big sweatshirt. Who's going camping in tiny clothes? Not this girl. Give me something with some depth, right? I like a thick sweatpant. I like a hoodie. Give me space. Look at that, deeper drawers. My husband will be so tickled with deeper drawers because he always says, why is that drawer so shallow? Don't worry, honey. They thought of it on this 25 MLE. But wait, we'd be thrilled if the storage ended here, wouldn't we? I'm not done yet. Store more in 2024. Are you ready? Here we go. What? Boom, honey. More storage under the bed. In a profile this like lean, right? We'll call it compact, elevated. Storage in here is absolutely bonkers. I am so impressed with the amount of storage in this 25 MLE. And we'd be thrilled if I just ended this tour and said, this is great. This is so cool. But are you ready to check out outside? Oh, my. You ain't gonna believe it. I cannot believe what they've put in this rig. Let's go outside. Come on. This Cougar 25 MLE has a beautiful outdoor awning with LED lights, outdoor speakers. Y'all know how much I love it, and I'm going to say it till the end of days. Pass-through storage, which we absolutely love. But there's a feature on here that gets me jazzed because who doesn't love cooking in the great outdoors? Let's go check out the outdoor kitchen. Come on. Whew, I love an outdoor kitchen, and I know y'all do too. Take a look at this beauty. Fridge, griddle, capital griddle, even better. We, of course, have a great ladder up to the rooftop, holds up to 250 pounds, and backup camera prep, power stabilizing jack, solar prep. The list goes on and on and on. But you don't have to just take my word for it, y'all. No, you're gonna get into your local Camping World today, let them know that Trish sent you, and get your hands on the rig of your dreams. We cannot wait to see you, so get in there today. Talk to you soon.